previous video we have done with what we have done with tuples, and if you have not watched the video of lists, please go back and watch the video of set list, because if you have not watched that video you can't understand this session, this lecture video. So please watch that video. So okay, we'll move into the topic, that is sets in Python. So what are sets? It is also a collection data type, that is it stores a collection of elements, just like a list, tuples and other data types. And what is the property of this? See, set is a collection which is unordered. See, here elements are not ordered, and unchangeable, and also we can't replace any items, and unindexed means they are not indexed, means we can't find that 0 1 like that, we can't index elements. And it also does not contains, or it does not allow duplicate values to be stored inside it. Okay, we will move into a simple representation of sets, how we represent sets in Python. Let's say I have a set 1 and it is initialized with this. So this is a set, guys, you can see this is a set, and it is a set of what? Integers, right? 1 2 3 4 5. Can we write here again 1 2? Can we write? Yes, of course you can write, but when you print this, if I print this set 1, see, you can see the result here. 1 2 3 4 5, only these elements are printed. Again 1 2 is not printed. Why? Because 1 is already printed, right? Already stored in the set. So duplicate values are what? Ignored. You can store, but you can't print the duplicate values. Okay. Can we create sets of different data types? Yes. Set 2 is equals to maybe of data type of name, age, address, like this. You can create a set of strings, and also you can create a set of Boolean data types, that is true, false, right? And also you can create a set consisting of mixed data types, that is either it may be of string or numbers, then it may be of true, then false, then 34, like this. Now if I ask you a question, if I print this particular set, how many and which all will get printed? Name will be getting printed, right? It is a string, it will get printed. And one will get printed, right? It will also get printed. Will true print? Will true print? Because 1 and true considered same, right? 0 and false are considered same. So either one of these will be getting printed, not both will get print. Either it will print true or it will print 1, not both. Similarly, false will get printed definitely. Will 34 print it? Yes, 34 will print because it is a different data, right? So if I print this set 4, you will see the result here. See, only false is printed, right? And only one is printed, not true. See here, one is printed but not true. I said you that either one will print or true will print, not both, because both are considered same, right? So they both are duplicates. So one is printed, then 34 is different data, so 34 is printed, name is printed, right? Here you can see now it is false 134 name, right? It is not necessary that these elements are printed in this order only. They may get interchanged while we are performing some functions on this sets, right? I think you understood what actually sets is, how to initialize sets, and what actually the properties of set. If I print the, if I want to print 1, can I index this? Like, can I type like this, set of 1? Can we do this? No, we can't do this. If I run this, you can see it will give you an error. It will raise an error because object is not subscriptable, means we can't index these sets. So we can't do indexing. Okay, we will move on to the next topic, that is accessing set items. Let's say we have this particular set. Okay, we have this particular set. If you want to access each and every elements in this set, not the entire set, each and every elements in this set, how can we do this? How can we do this? Can we access through index? Can we access through index? No, we can't access. So we can access through elements in the set, right? For element or I, any variables you can write. For element in set 1, print element. What is the meaning of this? For element in set 1 means for each and every elements here, we can see each and every elements in this particular set. What we are going to do is print that element. Print 1, print 2, print 3, print 4, print 5. Does this requires indexing? No, right? We are printing based on the elements, not on their indexes. Print sets of 0, set of 1. We are not doing that. We are printing based on the elements present here, right? So this will work. So this is how we are going to access set items, loop the items. If I want all these elements in the same line with space between them, how can we do this? We will just add end is equals to double space. That's, if I run this, we can see. Now we will move on to add set items. Okay, if I have a set like this, if I have set like this, I want to add items to this set. How can we do this? Here you don't have append method. That method you can find in list, right? But here you don't find that method. If you want to add any items to the set, yes, of course you can add items, you can remove items, but you can't replace items. In place of 2, you can't replace any other items, but you can add, you can delete. Okay, so in order to add to the particular set, what you do is set one dot, use this add function, add, inside this add, what thing you are going to add, that thing should be written here. Let's say I want to add 343, so I added like this. Now if I print set 1, you can see 343 got added to this particular set 1, that is 343. It is not necessary that it should be added here itself at the end. It can be inserted in between 1 and 2, or it may be in 3 and 4 before 3, like this. It may come anywhere. It is not ordered. You can see whenever you are performing any operations, the set may vary. Okay, that is not necessary that it should be arranged or ordered. So this is how you are going to add items to the set. Then we will move into add sets. Add sets or join sets, both are same. Okay, we are given with two sets. Let's say I will take this set as one set, and I will take another set, set 2, as village, taluk, district. So let's say this is one more set. If I want to add this particular two sets, how can we perform? Can we add it like this? Set 1 plus set 2. Can we add it like this? No. Particular plus operation is not possible for sets. If I run this, you can find an error within this line because unsupported operand type. So sets are not addable. Sets are not concatenable like this. So in order to do this, what you do is you just update this particular set with this particular set 2 values. That's it. How to perform that? Write set 1 dot update with particular set 2 values. That's it. Now if you print set 1, you will get all the set 2 values appended to the set 1 value. You can see here. Now you can observe that this district is coming before this 1 2 3 4 5, which is a part of set 1, right? So district is coming first, then all these values are coming, then village is coming, taluk is coming. Now you can visualize that sets are not ordered, right? Elements can be arranged in any manner. It is not required to arrange in a ascending or descending order. Now this is how you are going to update or add two sets. Now if you want to add any other iterable data types to this particular set, how can you do this? Let's say I have this particular set, okay, set 2. I will put here as names. Let's say this is a set, right? If I want to add any list, let's say I have list 1 is equals to, let's say 33, 354, 663, and this. This is a list of numbers, right? I want to add this list of number elements to this particular set. How can you do this? Again, you can use update method. If I want to add list 1 elements into names set, what you do is put names dot update, then within this old bracket write list 1. Then if you print this particular names now, you will get all the list 1 items in the names pendant. You can see here, and also you can see all the orders got interchanged, right? It is not necessary that they should be in ordered manner. Now we will move to the next concept, that is remove set items. Let's say I have this particular set. We'll take the same set, and I want to remove elements from the set. Let me add more elements to this. City, state, country, right? So this is a particular set, and let me change the names here. Is it roots? This is a roots set. Okay, I want to remove element from this. How can I remove? Of course, I can use remove method. That is, if I want to remove roots dot remove, I want to remove city from this particular set. How can I do? Roots dot remove, then city, right? That's it, guys. So this is same in the list, right? This is also same as in the list. Now if I print roots, what it will display? It will display the set but excluding this particular city. You can see city is not in this particular list. But what if I mention the element here which is not present in the set? Let's say I will type here India. What it will do? It will rise as an error. You can see here. You can see it is not displaying. Why? Because India is not present in this particular set, right? So key error, it is displaying as a key error. So we can't do, or we can't remove element which is not present in this set. If I don't want this error, but it will stay, it should stay quiet if it is not present. Okay, this program should run quietly without displaying an error. Then what can we do? We can use this particular discard method. Okay, discard India. If I do this, let me commentize this one. Let me commentize. If I do this, what it will do is, if India is present in this set, it will remove and it will print the roots, existing remaining root elements. If India is not present in this set, what it will do is, it will simply quietly execute the code. It won't display as an error like this. Let me execute this. You can see here, result got printed without any errors, right? So better to use discard method. Don't use that particular remove method in sets. Now we'll move into the next topic, that is union and intersection of two sets. Guys, this is very important. Everyone knows this. What is union? Union is the addition of all the elements from the set 1 and set 2. What is intersection? So intersection is an elements which are present in both the sets, right? So let me take one set. Let me take one set from 1. This is a set, okay, from 1. I will store elements from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And let me take another set from 2. I will store elements from 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Okay. If I ask you to find the union of these two sets in general, how can you do? You will print all the elements in from both the sets, but without duplicating them, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 you will print, and 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 will print. What if I add 6 here? In the union, what will be the result? Will 6 comes twice? No, it will comes only one time, because not allow duplicate, right? Set won't allow duplicates. Now, if I print from 1 dot union from 2. So this is one of the syntax how you can do union. So if I print this, what will be the result? 1 to 10 except printing 6 twice. Means 6 will be print only one times. If I execute this, you can see here, is 6 got duplicated? No, right? 6 is printed only once. So this is what union. Now let's say I will take the same sets, right? But I will change the names, only names. Let's say I will keep it as int1, int2. So these are variable names. You can change accordingly. You can keep as your wish. It's not required. You should keep like this. You should keep like this. Okay. So if I want to find the intersection of this, what will be the result? Of course, if I ask you what is the intersection of these two sets, what is intersection? Intersection is a collection of elements which are present in both the sets, right? So here we can see 6 and 7 is present in this set as well, and 6 and 7 is present in these sets as well. So we want to print that particular set. How can we calculate? So here we can use intersection. Okay, we can use what? Intersection update. But intersection update will return as what? It will return the element which are present in both. Let's say we will store it in a result variable. Result is equals to what? Int x dot intersection. Use this intersection method. Okay. So what it will do is, it will find elements which are present in both the particular sets, int x and int y. If I print the result now, you can see here 6 and 7, right? Is that correct? So which are present in both the sets, right? So this will give what? This will give you the elements which are present in both the sets. So this is what intersection, this is what union. Okay, now we will move into methods which are present in sets. So we have n number of methods. I already explained with you, that is intersection method, union method. Then we have discard method, remove method, then add method, update method. These are our methods which are regarding this particular set. Now we will look into some other methods which are popular in sets. Okay, let's say we have this particular two sets. Okay, we have this particular two sets. I want to check whether this is a subset of this particular superset. How can we do this? Let me print directly is int y dot is subset of this particular int x. What it will return? Just guess the answer. What will be the answer? Can you guess? Int y dot is a subset int x means is this particular set is a subset of this particular set. Is this? Can you see here? Is this set? No, right? It will return what? It will return false. If you run this, you can see false. Let's say I will arrange this int y again into other set. Let's say I will arrange this into 3, 1, 2, 3. Okay. Now will this return true? Of course. Why? Because this is a subset of this, right? 1, 2, 3. You can see here also. So if I print this, you can see true. So this is what one of the method which is subset is subset. Now we will look into one more method that is a superset. I think if you know that particular above one, this is easy. So we'll print this will what it will do is this will check whether a particular set is a superset of this particular set. So if I write int x dot is superset of int y. Here we are checking in reverse manner. You can see here int x. This is a superset of this particular int y. Is this a superset? Yes, of course. This is a superset of this small set, right? So it will return what? This will return true. So this is what is subset and is superset. Okay. This is a superset. Now if I execute this, first one will be definitely true, second one will be also true. Why? Because this is a superset of this. Now we will move into another method that is clear method. I think everyone know this method. So if I want to clear one subset here, how can I achieve this? If I want to clear this int x subset, how can I do this? Simply int x dot clear. That's it, right? If I print int x, what will be the answer? Empty set, right? See, set. That's it. Empty set. Now, if I want to copy this particular int y to int x, okay. If I want to copy set items from int y to int x is what? Int x is clear now. If I want to copy this from int y to int x, how can we do this? Simply int x is equals to what? Int y dot copy. I think all of you know this because I have explained you all this in list video itself. So if you not watched that video, please go back and watch the video. These are some important methods which are present in sets in Python. I will give you some homework methods also. Please go through these methods and learn more. So these are some methods like homework methods. So go and explore about difference method and is disjoint method. So these are some two methods which are also important. Go and explore on these methods. So this much is for this video. We will meet in the next video. So till then, take care. Bye bye.